Good morning friends, welcome to my video lecture Brahmanad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class we discussed type 2 problems of mathematical induction, that is divisibility problems. Okay, today we are going to discuss type 3 problems of mathematical induction. Type 3 problem means the problems using inequation or problems basing on inequations. अच्छा, again before going to type 3 problems, again we repeat type 1 problem from type 1 problems. Okay, prove by method of induction. Prove by method of induction 1 plus 1 by 1 into 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to 2n divided by 2n divided by n plus 1 2n divided by n plus 1 for all n belongs to n belongs to n. Prove by method of induction. So proof, let Pn such that 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to what? n is equal to 2n divided by n plus 1. For n is equal to, you can take 1 or 2 or 3 or so on. So for n is equal, let n is equal to 3. n is equal to 3 means since Pn is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 up to n term, sum of first n terms, Pn means. Similarly, P3 means sum of first 3 terms, that is P3. Okay, so let n is equal to 3. So LHS of P3 means 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3. Sum of first 3 terms, 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So what is the LCM? LCM is 6. This is 6 plus 2 plus 1. So is equal to 9 by 6. 9 by 6 means 3 by 2. 3 by 2. This is LHS of P3. RHS of P3. RHS of P3. So 2 into n is equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 1. So 6 by 4, that means 3 by 2. Therefore, LHS of P1 is equal to RHS of P1. So P3. So this implies P3 is true. P3 is true. Since P3 is true, so we assume that Pn is true for n is equal to k. We assume that Pn is true for n is equal to k. N is equal to k. That is Pk such that 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus dot 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is equal to 2k divided by k plus 1. This is equation 1. We need to show that we need to show that Pn is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Okay, n is equal to k plus 1. So pk plus 1 such that 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 1 by 1 plus 2 up to n up to k plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus 1 is equal to 2 into k plus 1 divided by k plus 2 divided by k plus 2. Okay. So pk plus 1 means sum of first k plus 1 term. First term, second term, third term, kth term, k plus 1 term. So pk plus 1 means sum of first k plus 1 term. Okay. So LHS of pk plus 1. LHS of pk plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus next term 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus 1 तो इज इक्वल टू दिस इज अलरेडी आम एज्यूम कर देख यही परसेंट आम एज्यूम कर परसेंटा फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 इट इज 2k by k plus 1. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2k by k plus 1 प्लस नेक्स्ट पार्टा 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus 1 from equation 1. This value is 2k by k plus 1. This value is 2k by k plus 1. Okay. अच्छा is equal to 2k by k plus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n means n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 2. Okay. So use the formula. This is k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 2k divided by k plus 1 plus 2 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. K plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay. So find the LCM. What is LCM? LCM is k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay. So this is 2k into k plus 2 plus 2. So is equal to this is 2k square plus 4k or taking 2 as a common. Taking 2 as a common, it is k square plus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2. 2 into this is k plus 1 whole square divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2. So k plus 1 is cancel. So this is 2 into k plus 1 divided by k plus 2 is equal to RHS of pk plus 1. RHS of pk plus 1. So implies pk plus 1 is true. Implies pk plus 1 is true. Therefore, it is true for all positive integral values of n. All positive integral values of n. Okay. Next question, in equation question. Type 3 problems in equation. In equation questions. Prove by method of induction. Question number 1, 2 to n is greater than n. For all n greater than equal to 1. 1 plus x whole n greater than equal to 1 plus nx. comma n belongs to natural number and x greater than minus 1. Okay. 1. Proof. Let Pn denote the given statement. Okay. So Pn such that 2 to the power n is greater than n. For all n greater than or equal to 1. For n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, P1 such that 2 to the power n. 2 to n is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. Okay. So implies P1 is true. P1 is true. Assume that Pk is true. That is Pk such that 2 to the power k is greater than k. For all k greater than or is equal to 1. This is for all symbol. For all symbol. For all. Okay. To prove Pk plus 1 is true. Okay. Achha, we have that is Pk plus 1 such that 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than is equal greater than k plus 1. Greater than k plus 1. Okay. Achha, we have 2 to the power k. This is equation 1. We have from 1 2 to the power k is greater than k. 2 to the power k is greater than k. Okay. So implies 2 to the power k into 2 greater than 2 into 2 to the power k is greater than 2 into k. Multiplying both sides by 2. Multiplying both sides by 2. Okay. Multiplying both sides by 2. Multiplying both sides by 2. So this implies 2 to the power k plus 1. This is 2 to this is 1 and 2 to the k plus 1 is greater than 2k. 2k greater than 2k. Okay. Also we have this is 2. Also we have k is greater than is equal to 1. K is greater than 1. K is greater than 1. So this implies adding both sides by k. Adding both sides by k. So this implies k plus k is greater than k plus 1. So this implies 2k is greater than k plus 1. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3 we have a greater than b, b greater than c, that implies a greater than c. So 2 to the power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. 2 to the power k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. So implies pk plus 1 is true. Therefore it is true for all n belongs to natural number n. Okay. This is the proof. Next, question number 2. Question number 2, prove 1 plus x whole to power n greater than or equal to 1 plus nx. 1 plus nx. Okay. So let question number 2. Let Pn denote the given statement. The given statement. Okay. That is Pn such that 1 plus x whole to power n greater than or equal to 1 plus nx. For n belongs to some set of natural number and x greater than strictly greater than minus 1. Okay. Acha. For n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1. Acha. P1 such that 1 plus x whole to power 1 is equal to 1 plus x. So 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus 1 into x. So 1 into 1 plus x, 1 plus 1 into x. So which is greater than is equal to 1, or this is greater than is equal to, or we can write this is greater than is equal to 1 plus 1 into x. Greater than is equal means a greater than is equal to b. A greater than is equal to b means either a greater than b or a is equal to b. So any one condition is satisfied, then we can write a greater than is equal to b. 1 greater than 2, so 2 greater than 1, so you can write 2 greater than is equal to 1. Okay, 2 is equal to 2, so you can write 2 greater than is equal to 2. Okay, x is greater than is equal to x. X is greater than is equal to x means since only if only one condition is satisfied, then we can write either or a condition. So this implies P1 is true. This implies P1 is true. Assume that Pk is true. Assume that Pk is true. That is Pk such that 1 plus x whole to power k greater than is equal to 1 plus kx. To prove Pk plus 1 is true. To prove Pk plus 1 is true. That is Pk plus 1 such that Pk plus 1 such that 1 plus x to the power k plus 1 is equal to 1 plus k plus 1 into x. Okay. We have from equation 1 1 plus x whole to power k is greater than is equal to 1 plus kx. 1 plus kx. Multiplying both sides by k. Multiplying both sides by 1 plus x. We get the 1 plus x to power k into 1 plus x greater than is equal to 1 plus kx into 1 plus x. So imply this is 1 plus x whole to power k plus 1 because the power is 1. So product means power add greater than is equal to multiply these two terms 1 plus kx plus x plus kx square. So implies 1 plus x to power k plus 1 greater than is equal to 1 plus k plus 1 into x plus kx square plus kx square. This is equation 2. Equation 2. We have x square is greater than is equal to 0. X square is greater than equal to 0 because the power of x is even. So x square is always greater than is equal to 0. Implies kx square is greater than is equal to 0 because k belongs to natural number n. Kx square is greater than is equal to 0. Adding both side by 1 plus k plus 1 into x. Okay, so 1 plus k plus 1 into x plus kx square greater than is equal to 1 plus k plus 1 into x. Equation 2. Equation 3. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3 we get 1 plus x to power k plus 1 greater than equal to 1 plus k plus 1 into x. K plus 1 into x. This implies pk plus 1 is true. This implies pk plus 1 is true. Okay, so it is true for all natural number. Therefore, it is true for all n belongs to capital N. True for all n belongs to capital N. Okay. Next question. Prove by method of induction. Question number 1, 2, 3 given. So first question, proof. Let Pn denote the given statement. Okay. Therefore, Pn such that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n less than 1 by 8 into 2n plus 1 whole square. Into 2n plus 1 whole square. Okay. So step 1 करना है for n is equal to 1. Okay. तो LHS of P1 is equal to 1. Okay. RHS of P1 put here 1 by 8 into 2 into 1 plus 1 whole square. So is equal to 1 by 8, 2 plus 1 3 square, that is 9 by 8. 9 by 8 is greater than 1. So implies RHS of implies 1 is less than 9 by 8. So implies LHS of P1 is less than RHS of P1. So implies P1 is true. P1 is true. Okay. Assume Pn is true for n is equal to k. Pn is true for n is equal to k. Or pk such that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 1 whole square. Equation 1. Okay. To prove pk plus 1 is true. Pk plus 1 is true, that is pk plus 1 such that 1 plus 2 up to k plus k plus 1 is less than 1 by 8 into 2 into k plus 1 whole square. That is or 1 plus 2 up to k plus k plus 1 less than is equal to 1 by 8. This is 2k plus 3 whole square. 2k plus 3 whole square. From equation 1 we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 1 whole square. Adding both side by k plus 1. Adding both side by k plus 1. Adding both side by k plus 1. So implies 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus k plus 1 is less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1 plus k plus 1. Okay. So is equal to 1 by 8. This is 4k square plus 4k plus 1 plus or this is 8 into k plus 1 whole divided by 8. So is equal to 4k square plus this is 12k plus 8 divided by 8. Okay. So taking 9, this is 9. So this is 1 by 8, this is 2k plus 3 whole square. 2k plus 3 whole square. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus 1 is less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 3 whole square. 2k plus 3 whole square. So this implies pk plus 1 is true. Hence it is true for all n belongs to capital N. All n belongs to capital N. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2, proof. Question number 2, let Pn such that 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9 up to 1 by n square is less than 2 minus 1 by n. Okay, step 1. For n greater than 1 दिया for all n greater than 1. So step 1, for n is equal to 2. For n is equal to 2. LHS of P2. LHS of P2. P2 means sum of first two terms 1 plus 1 by 4. Suppose n is equal to 3, then we can take sum of first three terms. Okay, so this is 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4. Next RHS of P2. So put here n is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2. This is 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. Since 5 by 4 is less than 3 by 2. 5 by 4 is less than 3 by 2. Okay, because 3 by 2 means 6 by 4. Okay, so 5 by 4 is less than 6 by 4. Okay, so this implies P1 is true. P1 is true. Step 2, assume that Pk is true. Pk is, that is Pk such that 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square up to 1 by k square is less than 2 minus 1 by k. Equation 1. To prove Pk plus 1 is true. Pk plus 1 is true. That is Pk plus 1 such that 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square up to 1 by k square is less than 2 minus 1 by k plus 1. Okay, this is equation. I think prove kariba. Okay, we need to show this. So from equation 1 we have 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square up to 1 by k square is less than 2 minus 1 by k. 2 minus 1 by k. Okay, adding both side by 1 by k plus 1 whole square. 1 by k plus 1 whole square. Okay, so implies 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square up to 1 by k square plus 1 by k plus 1 whole square is less than 2 minus 1 by k plus 1 by k plus 1 whole square. Okay, since 1 by k plus 1 whole square greater than 0. Whole square greater than 0. Okay, so is equal to, this is equal to 2 plus 1 by k plus 1 whole square minus 1 by k is equal to 2 plus, find the LCM. So k plus 1 whole square into k, this is k minus k plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is equal to 2 plus k minus k square minus 2k minus 1 divided by k plus 1 whole square into k is equal to 2 plus, so 2 minus, this is k square plus k plus 1 divided by k into k plus 1 whole square. K into k plus 1 whole square. Okay. Is equal to 2 minus this is k square plus k plus 1 divided by k into k plus 1 whole square. K into k plus 1 whole square. So is equal to 2 minus k into k plus 1 divided by k into k plus 1 whole square minus 1 by k into k plus 1 whole square. तो k cancel, k plus 1 cancel. 2 minus 1 by k plus 1 minus 1 by k into k plus 1 whole square. अच्छा, we have 1 by k into k plus 1 whole square is greater than 0 because k greater than 0 means k belongs to k greater than is equal to 4. K greater than is equal, sorry, k belongs to n, greater than 1 belongs to n. Okay. So therefore minus 1 by k into k plus 1 whole square greater than less than 0. If we multiply minus 1 greater becomes less. Okay, adding both side by 2 minus 1 by k plus 1 we get 2 minus 1 by k plus 1 minus 1 by k into k plus 1 whole square less than 2 minus 1 by k plus 1. 2 minus 1 by k plus 1. So this is less than this. Okay. Therefore 1 plus 1 by 2 square up to 1 by k square plus 1 by k plus 1 whole square less than 2 minus 1 by k plus 1. So this implies pk plus 1 is true. Pk plus 1 is true. Therefore it is true for all natural number. Therefore it is true for all n belongs to n. Hence proved. Okay. Next, third number proof 3. Let Pn such that 2 to the power n is less than n factorial for all n greater than is equal to 4 n belongs to natural number. Okay. N factorial means product of first n natural number 1 into 2 into 3 up to n is known as n factorial or factorial n. Okay. Step 1 for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 4, not 1 because n is greater than equal to 4. So you cannot take n equal to 1, 2, 3. So n is greater than equal to 4 means we can take n is equal to 4 or 5 or 6. So n is equal to 4. So LHS of P1, LHS of P4, LHS of P4 2 to the power 4 that means 16. RHS of P4 is equal to 4 factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. Clearly 16 is less than 24. This implies 2 to the power 4 is less than 4 factorial. Implies P4 is true. P4 is true. Okay. Assume step 2. Assume that pk is true. So pk such that 2 to power k is less than factorial k. Equation 1. Step 3. To prove pk plus 1 is true, that is pk plus 1 such that 2 to power k plus 1 is less than k plus 1 factorial. Okay. अच्छा, from equation 1 we have 2 to power k is less than factorial k for all k greater than is equal to 4. For all k greater than is equal to 4. Multiplying both sides by 2. Multiplying both sides by 2, we get 2 into 2 to power k is less than 2 into k factorial. Okay, so this implies 2 to power k plus 1 is less than 2 into k factorial. 2 into k factorial. Okay. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2, not 1. This is equation 2. As k is greater than is equal to 4. K is greater than is equal to 4. Okay. So therefore k plus 1 greater than is equal to 2. K plus 1 greater than 2, strictly greater than 2, because k is 4. 4 plus 1 means greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. Okay. Or this implies 2 is less than k plus 1. 2 is less than k plus 1. Okay. अच्छा, multiplying both sides by factorial k. Multiplying both sides by k factorial. Multiplying both sides by k factorial. This implies 2 into factorial k is less than k factorial into k plus 1. K factorial into k plus 1. So implies 2 into k factorial is less than k factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 up to into k plus 1. So implies 2 into factorial k is less than k plus 1 factorial. Equation 3. From equation 2 and 3 we get a is less than b, b is less than c, that implies a is less than c. 2 to power k plus 1 is less than k plus 1 factorial for all k greater than equal to 4. K belongs to natural number. This implies pk plus 1 is true. Okay. Hence it is true for all n belongs to n and n greater than equal to 4. Okay. These are the homeworks for you. Prove by method of induction. Question number 1. 2n plus 7. 2n plus 7 is less than is equal to n plus 3 whole square for all n belongs to capital N. And second one, 2n plus 1 less than is equal to n square for all n greater than is equal to 3. And n belongs to set of natural number n. Okay, using step 1, step 2, step 3 you can prove these two questions. Okay, hence your mathematical induction is completed. Next class we are going to discuss complex number. Okay, complex number means imaginary numbers, means square root of negative number is known as imaginary number. Square root of negative number is known as imaginary number. Okay.